Yes, sir. Bite was so subtle, I didn't even know he had it. He's just gonna creep up on it. But that is okay, because we will take it. A bite is a bite and a fish is a fish. Oh yeah, he came up and tried to pounce on it. A little small guy. Came up and pounced on it. Boy, that bluegill's about as big as you are. I'll tell you, about as ambitious as a fish as you can get right there. Little bitty guy said, I need some food. Yes, sir. I saw you messing around over there. And I was gonna wait till I walked over there, but here we go. And I will take it. Another little small guy. Oh, is this a big one? This one feels, oh, well, it ain't small. It definitely ain't small. Probably about a 2, but it felt pretty doggone big coming in. It's a nice fish, especially at this lake.
Standing on that pier that's about.
I think that's it. Yeah. Yeah, they just hitting this thing.
Standing up on that pier.
Yeah.
And look back towards that other pier, the high one. Sitting up over the water. Man, I seen a bass so big jump out the water, it scared the hell out of me. I'm like, yeah, it's some big fish.
There's some monsters in there, I'll tell you. I mean, I've talked to enough people say they've caught, 5s and 6s out of there, and I've caught a couple pushing 5s out of there. So, I mean, I know them monsters are in there. It's just a matter of if you can throw what they're looking for. But this is a bit of a surprise. I mean, I usually catch 2 or 3 out here, but catching, I mean, this is, I think, number 5 or 6. I can't even get them on camera, it's so dark. But this is probably the best day for just amount of catches in one day.